Okay, hopefully this video works out all right. Anyway, open barrel crimper. This particular one goes on a 12 gauge wire. I use these for Whirlpool and a few other brand dryer terminals. So anyway, strip it. You don't need very much because the section that crimps onto the wire isn't very long. There goes an ambulance. Anyway, I'll lay it in there. This is probably the trickiest crimper to get right, but when you get it right, it's worth it. Critical part is starting, because if it starts crooked, it's going to finish crooked and turn out like crap. So anyway, here, I think you can see that. The wrong angle to be able to squeeze this, but okay, so see that? Perfect factory style crimp. If you really want it to be super good connection, you can solder that, but realistically this part's going to fail first anyway. So I usually put heat shrink over these when I do use them, which is pretty rare because I don't know, they're just a pain in the neck. But anyway, it works.